Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul. In this video, I'm gonna discuss with you a major problem or common problem faced by many of users, especially those who are using Google Meet from the computer. So today I'm going to discuss about this major problem. If you are also facing the same problem, same issues, you can fix this, because today I'm going to show you another exclusive settings, one hidden settings you can say, to fix this issue. Okay, so without further delay, let me start today's video. So guys, we know that we have many applications like Zoom, GeoMeet or Microsoft Teams for online meetings, and Google Meet also. And most of us love to use Google Meet. But in Google Meet, there is a problem. First, let me tell you what is the problem. The problem is, if you are using any microphone, whether you are using the headset microphone, laptop's own microphone or USB microphone like me. So what happened now when you, for example, now currently my microphone volume is
Lock off. Default recording device, condenser microphone, 2 USB condenser microphone, volume 90,
right? Now if I just open the Google Meet and if I just go to the Google Meet and just join some meetings, automatically it will decrease my volume of the microphone. Okay, let me show you. So I'm just going to opening the Google Chrome and just opening the Meet.
Meet.google.com selected.
Just I'm starting
Enter
one
button, new
meeting.
Connect button. New meeting. Create a meeting. Start schedule and start an instant meeting. New meeting button collapsed. Meet loading. This page is accessing your microphone. Change this setting in your
Now
microphone.
See now microphone is turned on.
Your microphone is turned off. Your microphone is turned on.
Now my microphone is turned off. You may get like my voice is going down. I'm not sure whether you get it or not, but you may get this voice. You may get my voice will be slow. My voice will be slow. Slow in the sense of decrease. Just I am checking the volume. Okay, let me check the volume of the what I can say. Let me check the volume of
Lock off.
microphone.
Default recording device, condenser microphone, 2 USB condenser microphone, volume 84.
84, right? Now I am just speaking like quite louder, and now after a certain period of time you can check, you can see that my microphone volume goes down again. I'm still in the Meet. Now let me check.
Default recording device, condenser microphone, 2 USB condenser microphone, volume 84.
Okay, still it's 84. Sometimes it goes down, and sometimes it's even I faced it like 45, 50, 34, 30, and people are not able to listen to me. So this is the problem which actually you face. Many of you face. So let me know whether you are facing the problem into the comment section or not. Now let's come to the solution. Before telling the solution, I have one important announcement for you guys. Guys, we are going to start the next batch of WordPress with screen readers, as well as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which means fundamentals of web development with certified course. Okay, next batch will be starting from the February 2025. If you are watching this video after February, then obviously just keep an eye. We will announce. Okay, join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel. We will announce. Okay, but if you are watching this video before February 2025, don't forget to join our session, especially WordPress, because WordPress is one of the most popular, and if you learn WordPress, you can easily build websites within 2 months. After 2 months, you can easily build websites. Okay, so now let me show you how you can solve this. Okay, by the way, how you can join? Just visit our course page from the about page and you can easily join. Okay, now to solve this problem, you need to turn on one settings. To do that settings, open run dialog,
Run dialog. Type the name.
type one command mmsys
Select
dot
size.
cpl mmsys dot cpl, everything in small. Press enter and it will take you to this dialog.
Desktop sound dialog. Playback property page. Select the playback device.
So here it is a multi-tab dialog box.
Select the playback device below.
Just go to just press Ctrl tab.
Recording property page. Select the recording device below to modify its settings. List.
Select a recording device. Now using down arrow up arrow, choose the device which is currently set. Which device you want to perform, modify. So remember, what device is selected for your Google Meet, you should modify that device. Okay.
Condenser microphone 2 USB
Condenser
microphone. Default device 1 of 4.
Default device. So I'm using the default device. So I'm just pressing tab.
Properties button Alt plus P.
Also you can press Alt plus P to go to its properties.
Condenser microphone properties dialog. Edit selected condenser microphone.
So you can change the name and do other things. Just I'm pressing Ctrl tab to go to the advanced tab.
Property page. You can listen to a portable music player. Dialog 84. Microphone grouping. Microphone slider 84.
Okay, so again I'm just going to
tab control tab. Levels tab selected.
Levels tab. Now I'm just going to I'm pressing right arrow.
Advanced tab selected.
Advanced tab. Now I'm pressing tab.
Default format grouping. Select the sample rate and bit depth to be used when running in exclusive mode grouping. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Checkbox checked.
Yes, this allow exclusive controls. This box should not be checked. Okay, just uncheck this.
Not checked.
Press tab and click on OK.
Press OK button. Sound dialog.
Press tab and click on OK.
OK button. Meet JHD.
Wow. Now our problem has been fixed. So let me check
Num
the
lock
volume.
on. Default recording device. Condenser microphone. 2 USB condenser microphone. Volume 84.
Okay, let me just increase the volume to 90.
80, 80, 87, 88, 89 volume up condenser. 90 volume up condenser.
Okay. Now I am just talking very loudly and let's check whether my microphone volume or gain will be down by default or not. So let me check.
Default recording device. Condenser microphone. 2 USB condenser microphone. Volume 68.
Still this works. Why? Because see, it is fixed. Actually it is fixed because I'm in the same meeting, right? So that's why it happens. Sometimes if I just restart the computer, it may fix. But yesterday I tried this and this problem has been actually fixed. So right now I don't know why it is happening, but through this you can fix this issue. Okay. So that's it guys. This is how you can just turn off the exclusive control of your microphone to fix this issue. Try it out and I hope your issue is also resolved. So let me know your experience in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for more interesting tutorials like this. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.